Maxim 28. Not everyone who is handsome in form possesses a good character. The qualities are inside, not upon the skin. It is impossible in one day to know, from a man's qualities, what degree of science he has reached. Be, however, not sure of his mind, nor deceived. A wicked spirit is not detected, sometimes for years. And the spiritual side of illusion and delusion are usually not so experienced or detected at all. So working on it from a theme or psychological based way is certainly important enough, because we don't have to uh, rely on reaction to the evil or good entities encouraging us, but sometimes only how we ourselves are interacting, because it's our choice of what we believe and do.